I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the drivetrain quickly. Clean chain, smooth derailleur movement, and cable tension that isn't sloppy. Get into a steady cadence of about 70-90 RPM and keep one light hand on the brake for control. As you approach a hill or traffic, shift early so the chain can move under moderate load. Once done, ease pressure on the pedals slightly while clicking the shifter. This helps the chain jump gears cleanly without grinding or slipping. You now perform the more complex middle steps. Use the rear shifter for small, precise changes and the front shifter for larger jumps. This prevents abrupt chain movement. Make sure to avoid cross-chaining, big chainring with big cassette cog, because it causes wear. While shifting, continue pedaling smoothly but lessen power briefly so the chain can move without binding. If you hear noise, shift one gear at a time and wait. Once the chain settles, you can resume full power. You finish by choosing a gear suited to the next stretch. Easier for climbs, harder for flats, and test a few shifts across the cassette to ensure crisp transitions. If the chain slips or grinds, stop pedaling immediately, back off the pressure, and gently shift to the easiest gear to protect the drivetrain. If shifting remains imprecise, tweak the barrel adjuster incrementally or check limit screws once stopped. If problems persist, make a short stop and get a mechanic to prevent further damage or unsafe riding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.